see. All right, today's game day. Jake's watching some ball and stuff, so I thought I'd make us some more junk food. This is something we eat a lot on the holidays or snacking. I'm sure a lot of you probably make it. Meatballs. I like to get the frozen kind. They're only like $7 a bag. I think there's 52 in each bag. We usually put them in a crock pot, but I'm in a little bit of a crunch for time like usual, so we're going to simmer them on the stove. I think there's 104 of these, and they'll probably all be gone between the three of us. Now this is simple. Pint of barbecue sauce. Pint of grape jelly. This stuff's always kind of hateful. If you heat it up in the microwave a little, it does help it come out a lot easier. So we're going to simmer these on the stove. They should thaw in probably 25, 30 minutes or so. Then we'll let them cook another 15 minutes. But we're probably about halfway done on these. They smell great. These are the flame broiled ones. These will be sweet, savory, really good. Had to stop kind of in the middle of everything and bake a pan of cornbread for the chickens because evidently Jake didn't have enough chicken feed for the Bantams, but we've got them squared away with the proper dinner, so we're hanging in there. I'll bring you guys back when we sample. Our meatballs are done. They done really good. And we've got some cooled off here so we can sample. You want to try some again? Looks good. Those things rock. I love these things. Natalie's gone to go get her hair braided at her cousin's house. There might not be any left when she gets back.